Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to fix this error code on your Nintendo Switch. If you're getting this error right 28130998 while you open this Nintendo eShop on your console. Why we are getting this error means Nintendo is not supporting our country. Example, I just want to show this. Okay, if you go and check on settings, right, you can see which country is supporting. Go to system and here you can see the region. So it supports Japan, Australia, New Zealand, Europe, Hong Kong, Taiwan, South Korea. So if you are basically in India or some other country, definitely it will not work. Okay, so what you need to do is even if you are changing right the region, it will not work out. So you need to check your account. Example, in this account, right, I am using this Wiki Switch, this user ID I am using it. So basically this user right is created with Indian country. So that's why it's not supporting. It's very simple. We can change that country and we can log in with the same Nintendo eShop. So in order to fix that, right, what you need to do is take your mobile or PC and go to accounts.nintendoswitch.com, and here you need to log in with the same account. So this account I'm going to log in. So once you logged in, right, you need to go to this user information, and here basically the country is selected as India. Definitely it will not work. So we need to change that. So I'm going to edit it first. So you need to tap this edit user information and then just scroll down here, change this to Europe or Hong Kong, whatever the country, right, is supported by Nintendo Switch. You can change that. So I'm going to change it to United States and sorry, Uganda is selected, United States, and then go to save changes, and you need to agree the terms and conditions. Also check, okay, also read whatever is mentioned. If you change your country, your gold points will remain in your account, but they will not be displayed in countries. Okay, fine. Then whenever you want to change it, right, again you can change the region. So I'm going to choose I agree. Super cool. I think now it's successfully changed. I'm going to verify one more time. Yes, it's changed. You need to wait at least 15 to 30 minutes, okay, to reflect on your Switch. So now I'm going to verify on my Nintendo Switch. It's changed. Okay, at least wait for 10 minutes. So now I'm going to try, because it will be asking you to enter with your Switch again. If you are changing any information right on your account, you need to re-sign in. So that pop-up is not yet, not yet have come. I'm going to Nintendo eShop. See, it is asking me to sign in, so we need to sign in. So then, which means it worked perfectly. I mean, the country has been updated successfully. So you need to provide the password. Provide the password and give OK. It's successfully signed in. This time I should not be getting any error. Wow, it's allowed me. Wow, super cool. If you want to skip the password, you can check it and you can enter, because every time it will be asking you to enter the password. So you need to just change that. Okay, I need to re-enter the password one more time. Give OK. Yes, that's it. Now we can use another Switch eShop. Now you can purchase whatever you want. It's very simple. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback in media forms. Thank you. Bye and take care. If you have any doubts, just comment. Bye. Take care.